everybody, nice to see you again on the Instagram and welcome to our live broadcast every Friday. This is Queenie. Today I am very happy to share with you some latest news about the stainless steel market and also some information about our company and products. Now the economic recovery greatly after the global access to the vaccine, the stainless steel market is actively. Here are some news of the stainless steel market. The first one is analysis of the supply and the demand status and development prospects of the global stainless steel market in this year 2021. And China is the main producer of the stainless steel from the year 2010 and to the year 2019. The global stainless steel production increased by 67.9%, with an average annual compound growth rate of 5.93%. The increase in supply mainly come from the China. However, the global economic growth will be weak from the 2019 until this year 2021, and the growth rate of the stainless steel production will slow down. But China is still a major producer of the stainless steel. You can refer to the regional distribution map of the global stainless steel production, the capacity in the year 2020. Then you will see the China production capacity occupied a very large global market that is more than 50%. And this picture for your reference. And the second one is about the global stainless steel consumption continue to grow up. As countries get rid of the epidemic, the demand of the stainless steel is rapidly recovering recently, and global demand is expected to be increased by 9% until 10% in this year 2021. And according to the statistics, global stainless steel consumption in this year will be 47.70 million tons, and it is expected that it will continue to grow up by 10% or by 9% in the year 2021. That is this year, and it is estimated by the year 2026 the global stainless steel sales will reach 63.91 million tons. Here are the photos for your reference. Then you will see from the year, this year 2020 and the next year, as the consumption of the stainless steel is increasing until the year 2026. After maybe 5 years later, the consumption of the stainless steel is increasing year by year. So this is the information about the global stainless steel consumption continue to grow up. And third one is about the stainless steel is in short supply on the market at present. The United States stainless steel prices continue reaching a new high due to the short supplying. Affected by the shortage supply, the USA cold rolled stainless steel coils price rose further in the first half of the August. Stimulated by this, United States stainless steel mills increased their prices for the base and alloy surcharge. The base price was increased by the USD $70 to $80 per ton at the end of the July, and according to the producer in the United States, the scheduled shipment still remained delayed at 12 to 6 weeks. In fact, the actual shipment was postponed by more than 4 weeks. The supply of the coral coins was in a very shortage until the end of this year, and Asia's offer is normally cheaper, but the shipping cost is terribly high at present. According to the understanding, the price gap is getting bigger between the market transaction price and US world price. The shortage of the material was expected to continue further at the end of this year. And next one, the fourth is about the European stainless steel. The price in the Europe market is raising resumes on tight supply and further gains likely. So the price of the flat rolled stainless steel in the European domestic market increased further this week, and it is continued tight supplying. And next one is about the port congestion and delays in the shipping schedule have led to a shortage of container transportation. The Panama Canal lock announced maintenance. The shipping schedules will be affected. Port congestion and delays in shipping schedule have led to a shortage of the container transportation, which has driven freight rate soaring, and the peculiar sense of a container is very hard to find, and a container is more expensive than cargo. As the August 6, the Shanghai Export Container Freight Index soared to 4,225.86 points, more than 4 times the same period in last year. Overseas ports continue to be congested, and the reliability of shipping schedule is greatly reduced. So the resulting in more and the less container. The domestic and middle exports are often very difficult to find one container. The Panama Canal authorities announced that it is tentatively scheduled to carry out maintenance work on Myraflock from the August 29 to September 10th, which may affect the canal's capacity and cause unpredicted long delay for the shipment. And many courts delay several days, even weeks after the completion. In addition, as the global epidemic continues to repeat, the congestion of the global port will not be improved in the short term. This will continue to be main bottleneck in the supply chain. In the shipping market, containers are hard to find. Containers are more expensive than the goods, and rent are more expensive. Stranger phenomena such as shipping small cargo will continue to occur frequently. And the next one is about nickel prices are rising. The London Metal Exchange nickel price hiked for 3 consecutive days. The current average nickel prices of this month is higher than the previous months, around 1.5%. Meanwhile, the London Metal Exchange market inventory of the nickel is decreasing. According to the market participants, the nickel price was driven by the tight supply of the nickel and the high scheduling of the stainless steel production in China. Besides, coupled with China's control the COVID-19 epidemic and optimistic outlook for the future demand, the short-term nickel price was expected to keep stable. So, in summary, the demand of the stainless steel in current market is growing, but the stainless steel is currently out of stock. So, and additionally, as coming to the Christmas festival, now many clients launch the purchasing pre-Christmas, and we receive many inquiry from our clients because the demand is increasing. with recovery of the economic. And normally for the process of production of the tubes, we will take 1 month for the shipping, and for example on the November, and 1 month for production, for example in the September. And now it's very nervous on booking the container. Normally our clients take 2 until 4 weeks to get to 1 container. Now it is in the end of the August. We signed many orders with our clients, and actually now is a good time to start to arrange the import of the stainless steel welded tube. And if you have interesting to get updated the offers of the stainless steel for current market in the Asia, you can contact us by send us the email, and you can directly call us the telephone call. Here is our information.